Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shoaib with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make electrical installation for a single phase swimming pool wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, time clock, contactor, another DP MCB circuit breaker, transformer, wire section, neutral connection input to DP MCB, phase connection input to DP MCB, neutral connection from DP MCB to connect contactor to point, phase connection from DP MCB to connect time clock, output connection from time clock to connect contactor, output connection from contactor to connect another DP MCB, output neutral connection from contactor to connect another DP MCB, output neutral connection from DP MCB to connect transformer, output phase connection from DP MCB to connect transformer, neutral connection from transformer to wire section, phase connection from transformer to wire section, earthing connection input to transformer. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.